Lumbar plexus. It is formed by the anterior primary rami of L1, L2, L3 and L4 spinal nerves. The L4 takes part both in lumbar and sacral plexus, and it is known as nervus furcalis. The T12 sends a small branch to L1. The L1 divides into smaller lower branch and larger upper branch. The L2 divides into smaller upper branch and larger lower branch. The smaller branch of L1 and the smaller branch of L2 joins to form genitofemoral nerve. The larger division of the L1 divides into two branches, iliohypogastric and ilioinguinal nerves. The lower larger part of the L2, the entire L3 and the upper larger part of the L4 divides into ventral and dorsal division. Ventral and dorsal division. The ventral division of L2, L3 and L4 joins to form obturator nerve. The dorsal division of L2, L3 and L4 joins to form femoral nerve. A twig, that is a branch from the dorsal division of L2 and L3 joins to form lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh. A branch or a tip from the ventral division of L3 and L4 joins to form accessory obturator nerve. The femoral nerve supplies the anterior compartment of the thigh. The obturator nerve supplies the medial compartment of the thigh. If accessory obturator nerve is present, it also supplies the medial or adductor compartment of the thigh. Sacral plexus. It is formed by the lumbosacral trunk and the anterior primary rami of S1, S2, S3 and part of S4 spinal nerves. The lumbosacral trunk is formed by the L4 and L5. The S4 takes part both in sacral and coccygeal plexus. Each nerve divides into a dorsal and a ventral division. The yellow color represents the dorsal division and the green color represents the ventral division. The dorsal division of L4, L5, S1 and S2 joins to form the common peroneal nerve. The ventral division of L4, L5, S1, S2 and the S3 spinal nerves joins to form the tibial nerve. These two nerves together forms the component of sciatic nerve. Superior gluteal nerve. It arises from the branches arising from dorsal division of L4, L5 and S1 spinal nerves. Inferior gluteal nerve. It is formed by branches arising from the dorsal division of L5, S1 and S2 spinal nerves. Imagine this is a mountain, slope, and two persons are standing, and these are the shadows of these two persons. That means the root value of this nerve resembles the same as this nerve. So this nerve have the same root value of the inferior gluteal nerve. So number 3, now to Quadratus femoris and inferior gamalus. So the root value is ventral division of L4, L5 and S1. See here it is dorsal division, so here ventral division. Now to obturator internus and superior gamalus. It is formed by the branches arising from the ventral division of L5, S1 and S2 spinal nerves. So inferior gluteal nerve, dorsal division of L5, S1 and S2. Now to quadratus femoris and obturator internus, ventral division of L5, S1 and S2. Posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh. It arises from the dorsal division of S1 and S2 and ventral division of S2 and S3. So the branches arising from the dorsal division of S1 and S2 and the ventral division of S2 and S3 joins to form posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh. Now the piriformis. It arises from the dorsal division of S1 and S2. They join to form the nerve to piriformis. Perforating cutaneous nerve. It arises from the dorsal division of S2 and S3. Pudendal nerve. It arises from the ventral division of S2, S3 and S4 spinal nerves. Now to levator ani, coccygeus, sphincter ani externus. It arises from the ventral division of S4 spinal nerves. So this is of those branches of the sacral plexus. So the sacral plexus supplies the entire lower limb except the anterior and medial compartment of the thigh.